Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to fix this can't connect right now problem in your YouTube. If you are facing this problem in your this TCL TV, so how you can fix it. So sometimes it is a network problem, or is there any, you can see you have not updated your this Play Store. You have to go to the Play Store. If you have not updated, you have to do like I show you first. So you have to first click on this applications. Here it is. You have to tap on this apps, and now you have to come to this Google Play Store. You have to tap on it, and now you have to click on this. You can see this one. Here it is, YouTube. So you have to tap on it. If you have not updated, just update it, or you can uninstall that application and try it again. Or if it is not fixing it, you can see you can just try it again and it is not opening. So first you have to go to your settings of your TCL TV. Here it is. Then you have to go to this remote and accessories. So here it is. You have to tap on this remote and accessory, or you can go to this device preference. Now you have to scroll downwards, and here it is. You can see this date and time settings. You have to tap on here. So here it is, set date. So if sometimes your date not make corrected, or it is auto change, you can see 2024 and now it's 2026. So if it is automatically changed, you have to click on automatic date and time. You have to click on this auto, this, you can see automatically date and time. Now you can see the set date is corrected successfully. Now you have to open your YouTube, and you can see it will be fixed. You can see it is now opening and it's now done. You can see, let's play anything. So here we just play this song. So you can see, friends, yes, it is working. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.